didn't care. I sing in sport, have joy and solace too. I make an effort since I can sing and laugh. For I am dying, yet show no sign to you. And by love, I am so overpowered. He has conquered me by force and battle's hour. No pain or martyrdom God ever made without love's ill that I've not suffered quietly. But of that one I must be, though it's bad, the sufferer. For love makes me love where he pleases, see. And I tell you truly, if I am not loved back, it's not for lack of wanting on my track. I am my lady's man and friend and servant true, and I seek no other friendship from her grace, but that she turn her lovely eyes to me in secret view, which do me great good when I'm angry in that place. And I give them thanks and mercy and reward, for in the world no friend helps me so toward. Great good I feel the day I gaze at her, her mouth and eyes and brow and hands and arms, and the rest of her body, nothing too demure, all beautifully fashioned, free from harms. Beauty herself could make no finer one, so I have great pain and great travail for what's won. I wish ill to my desire, so much I long, and yet I value it more, for I was so bold that I dared to place my love so high and strong. For that I am proud and made more wise, be told. And when I see her, I am so enraptured then, it seems my heart leaps to the sky from my den. Within my heart I rage and I resent that I follow my own will so much, so blind. But no man should say such a thing, lament, for no one knows how he'll be tested by his kind. What shall I do then with her private gentle looks? I'd rather fail them than have the world with all its hooks. With slanderers I have nothing to debate, for through them no rich joy was ever hidden away. And I tell you this by my excuse so great, and by lying I've changed the dice they play. All joy is doomed to be lost, I fear, that is lost through their divine